Welcome. If this your first time visiting this channel, subscribe by clicking the red button, and also like and comment below. There are lots of ways to encourage it to grow fast, healthy, and strong. Massaging your scalp or applying special hair treatments are both good bets. Eating a healthy, well-balanced diet can also help encourage your hair to grow. Most importantly, however, make sure that you take good care of your hair to prevent damage from occurring. Damaged, unhealthy hair tends to break, which won't help at all if you're trying to grow it out. Being healthy from the inside out. 1. Eat plenty of protein. Hair is mostly composed of protein, making it the most important component of a hair-healthy diet. Examine your diet and make sure you're getting plenty of protein every day. When your diet is protein deficient, your body doesn't produce as much hair. Eat lean meats, fish, eggs and dairy products high in protein. Beans, leafy greens, and tofu are good sources of protein for vegetarians. 2. Eat biotin. This is a B vitamin essential for hair growth. Since it is mostly found in animal products, vegetarians and vegans often find that they have a B vitamin deficiency. To make sure you get plenty of B vitamins in your diet, eat the following foods: eggs, nuts, salmon, avocados, meat products and wheat bran. If you feel you aren't able to meet your B vitamin needs with food alone, consider taking a biotin supplement. 3. Eat vitamins A and C. These vitamins help hair stay glossy and healthy. When you aren't getting enough vitamin A or C, your hair can become weak and dull. Make sure you're eating plenty of the following: sweet potatoes, carrots, kale, butternut squash and pumpkin, which are all rich in vitamin A. Broccoli, leafy greens, peppers, and citrus fruits, which contain high amounts of vitamin C. 4. Eat omega-3 fatty acids. These good fats support your scalp's health and promote healthy growth of hair and skin cells. Omega-3 fatty acid is found in salmon, sardines, mackerel, flax seeds, and walnuts. You can take fish or flaxseed oil supplements if you don't enjoy eating foods that are rich in omega-3s. 5. Stay hydrated. When your body is dehydrated, it shows in your hair. Your hair can become dry, brittle, and more prone to breakage. When your hair breaks and frays, it's more difficult to grow it into the longer style you're after. Make sure you stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water every day. Try replacing coffee, soda, and alcoholic drinks with water whenever possible. Carry a water bottle with you throughout the day so you'll never have to go thirsty. 6. See a doctor if your hair is falling out. Sometimes hair loss or extremely slow growth has an underlying cause that can't be fixed using at-home methods. If you believe that your hair loss may be a symptom of a more serious illness, make an appointment with your doctor right away. Once you get the underlying problem treated, your hair should start to grow faster. Here are a few conditions that cause hair loss. Scalp infections or skin disorders. Alopecia areata, a disorder that causes patchy hair loss. Trichotillomania, a disorder that leads you to pull out your hair. Certain medications cause hair loss. Hormonal changes can cause hair loss. Thanks for watching.